Welcome everybody, Taylor Williams, Chief Sales Officer here at Geokey. A lot of you request, what is Geokey? How do I even see this without scheduling time, potentially with a sales rep? Because we may or may not be ready to make that decision. That is my goal here today, is to give you a quick video, quick highlight of what we're doing, the software, and everything that Geokey has to offer. So, first question, what is Geokey? We are a unified access control platform. Our goal is to take any door, gate, elevator, garage, padlock, handle set, modernize it to 2022 technology and deliver it into one app and one portal for your users and for yourself as business owners. A lot of times the question is what does this apply to? So to be direct, we do have probably 4 areas that this has been applied to the most. Small to mid-sized businesses. That can be anything from a gym, co-working space, smaller commercial, multifamily space, widely popular. Some of our integrations, which we'll dive in here in a second, they allow the ability to use possibly a pre-existing system with a handle set integration. Manufacturing and industrial, very large for the garages, gates, padlocks, anything for internal controls, safety protocols. And last but certainly not least is the idea that access control has to be pertained to a traditional solution. We do custom projects of all sorts. We've done photo booths. We've done a locker system for a school. We've done med boxes, smart med boxes for senior care and hospice care, and currently working on a job site trailer integration. So if you have ideas, if you have solutions that you say, hey, I would love to know who got in, when, where, have that control, and have that same system tie into your doors, let us know. We'll be more than willing to help you out with it. The main benefit of what we're doing is consolidating all these access points into a singular portal, as I mentioned before. We are able to do scheduling by user, by group, by access point. What does that mean? I can drop a temporary key that goes out for a guest at my apartment Friday at noon, and it automatically comes back Sunday at 3. I can set a remain unlocked schedule. If I'm a retail business, I don't want to keep people out of my business. That's not the goal. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the door just remains unlocked. The online cloud-based portal allows you to manage your business anytime, anywhere in the world. I'll show you that here in a second, but that is exactly what Geokey is going to bring to you. Geokey is a software platform that integrates across other hardware platforms. Current partnerships would be Access Communications, Nokia, Carry Systems, Mercom, and a software integration we're currently working on with Hello Gym. The goal of this is to take all hardware suppliers and bring it into one clean look. Why that's important is it gives you optionality as to what works best for your facility and your doors. We have standard Bluetooth devices. We have battery-only devices. We have IP network devices, Wi-Fi, hardwired with battery backup, handle sets, readerless options. The main value add of these hardware partnerships is the fact that if a system is currently using a Mercom, a Carry, and Access Communications, with a single click of a button, you will be able to convert your business to smart access control. Now, if you do not have any smart access control established at the facility, that is where we do want to extend that range of price point to say, how can I get my business modern? As a multifamily developer or property manager, I get asked this question all the time. What is the investment? What is the return? How does this come back to me? What we found currently in the market as of end of 2021, 9% of apartment facilities have made the transition into smart access control. The user demand is bordering 58 to 64%. The application of smart devices is currently between 85% and 90% worldwide. So the market wants it, therefore the market is going to pay you for it. Geokey was able to work with the National Apartment Association on a case study that shows these numbers dialed in directly. With Geokey's $5 a month licensing fee and the increase in demand of people wanting to live at these type of facilities, the average return that you could see in year one would be charging anywhere from $20 to $40 a month on the access control alone. We've ran into plenty of other companies who are doing IoTs or Internet of Things, installing the Alexa, installing different smart devices in the apartment. Not that those are bad, but they are not the reason that the property's value is increasing. By putting smart access in, increasing the building's security, you are actually increasing the overall property value overnight. Now you want those numbers to be real? Here's the case study on that. The study was done on a 350 unit apartment complex, a large size complex, so feel free to reach out to us if you want us to scale that down or to increase it. But on 350 units, $5 in cost to you, $40 increase in rent, over 12 months, a 1-year operating increase in revenue of $147,000. The second thing we get asked all the time is the overall asset value and what does smart access control do to that? Assuming a 5% cap rate, the property value will increase by $2.9 million. The third thing, the hidden component of this, is time-saving operational efficiency. We found that from an operating standpoint, on 350 units, you will save over 400 hours in labor for maintenance and over 100 hours in tours and operational efficiency just by having the ability to open the doors with your phone and not a physical key or fob. Not only does the value of your property increase overnight, year one, in revenue created by increasing rents and higher renter demand, two, the overall asset value at the 5% cap rate, increasing the property's value upwards of $2.9 million. The third is almost a hidden piece. It is a piece of labor, site efficiency, operating efficiency. Anything from leasing tours can now be done remotely by being able to drop temporary keys. Maintenance calls, the maintenance man doesn't have to walk back to a center building, carry around 100 keys. You'd be able to schedule that as well too for a higher security for your tenants. And three would be no more refobbing or rekeying. If someone loses a fob or loses a key, that's not a problem anymore. Everything's cloud-based. That assessment done on a 350 unit apartment saved over 500 hours of labor per year. Cost to operate come down, revenue created go up in year one, and the overnight asset value increases right away. That is why you should call us. That is why you should schedule a demo to get a quote for your facilities, whether they're new constructions or retrofitting. And now, let's dive into the software. Now that we've given you an overview of the company, you obviously probably want to see some of these things live in action. So here is our Axis A1001. We also have the A1601. You can bridge additional relays off this. Basically, one of these brands can control up to 16 doors at your facility. This is an IP network-based product. The connectivity on this is super efficient. You'd go into your Geokey app, you'd find your access point, and in this case, this is Orange Salesboard 2. Swipe the app, and boom, light comes on right there. The same functionality for this Geokey Bluetooth controller. This is a very affordable solution. Suggested use would be interior doors, maintenance rooms, inventory rooms, things of that nature. You'd be able to hardwire this. You can make this battery only. It really kind of just depends on your door and the application. But here we'd be connecting. We would swipe to unlock. Light turns green. Same functionality with the padlock. You'd find it on your app. You swipe to unlock the device. Credential verifies. Padlock comes open. A few exciting things that we're working on right now. We have not selected a vendor. We're very extensive in our testing. But we will be introducing to some form or fashion handle sets, PIN code backups. We're also looking at potentially more of a slim, modern office door type vibe as well too. But these will be coming later in 2022. But as of right now, I just wanted to show you some of the different applications that the software is capable of powering. The main case study that we've seen in this is a featured client of ours here in Omaha, Nebraska, the Dalmore Apartments, with a restaurant called Barrel and Vine. The two separate businesses operating at one single location. So Barrel and Vine is able to use this on their employee entrances, their VIP restaurant, access to their rooftop pool, but yet also being able to keep individuals out of the apartment side of the facility that are actually sharing an elevator. The elevator is using Geokey, Barrel and Vine is using Geokey, and the apartment is using Geokey. The apartment is using the Amazon delivery hub for packages, interior doors, exterior doors, the garage door, you name it, all operating in one facility, two separate businesses. There's not 50 keys for a business owner. There's one consolidated app. The Geokey portal is where you will live as an administrator of this account. This can be set up for a global admin over 10 locations or 15 different apartments. This could be singular location with just administrative rights. You tell us how you need it designed, we'll make it happen. The first screen that you're going to see, though, is the activity section of your facility. Live tracking using geo-located services will allow you insight into who's down at the facility inside the geofence, when they got there, and how long they've gotten there. This feature can be turned on or off given your preference. The next section is our activity log. This is time-stamped, real-time data. Who opened what door, on what date, at what time. And if you would choose, you can take this log as far back as you would like. So in the situation I'm showing you here, I'll take this log back 3 months, hit go, and it just populated and updated the activity tracker. You can filter down by access point. You can directly search by user. And if that's not enough for you, here's the export to Excel function to allow you to do your own customization. Some of those analytics we provide for you right on the surface in the dashboard. We have a hourly trend analysis and a daily usage analysis. Nice quick hitter analytics to help you see when your facility is being used, on what days, and what time. The biggest value add our customers see is how easy it is to send a key and take a key back. No more rekeying, no more being on-prem, no more chasing down an old Faber key card to try to deactivate it or losing money doing it, reissuing codes, whatever it may be. Inside our portal, this is how simple it is to send a key. You click Add User, email, first name, last name, mobile phone, select the role and responsibility you want them to have, select your keys, hit Add User, voila, keys have went out. Geokey has sent out a text message for you with links to your users to download at their Android or iOS store, and also an email, a simple 5-step verification to get the password reset, make sure the credential's good to go. Now, you want those keys back. This is how quick it happens. 2 clicks. You click Profile on the user, click Deactivate User. Instantaneously, all keys that were issued for your facility have come back to you. Inside Notes, this is a great way to keep notes on employee tardiness. It could be a great way for machine maintenance or any sort of training that employees had to do. Use the Notes section as you see fit. And inside Settings here is a great way for you to update your facility. If someone needs a key to an additional door, or if you want to do the temporary key, here you come down, you select the access point, click Custom Access, change the dates, hit Apply, and automatically on Friday at 2 p.m., that key will go out, and on Sunday at 2 p.m., that key will come back. Part of the customization feature that we offer is the group scheduler. So here you'll see that not only can you customize the user role, the representative role, the manager role, or the admin role, you'll also be able to do that by access point to say, leave this door open 24/7. Lock this door 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Only make this accessible for managers from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. The solutions are boundless. There is actually another update coming here very soon that will allow you to customize these group names as well and add more than 4. As we all know, branding and marketing are a huge thing for companies. Inside our profile setting, you will be able to put your company's brand inside of our app. So as your users are going around using different doors at the facility, they'll be seeing the company logo. Last but certainly not least is our world-class support team. We are 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time with live support. We're ticketed outside of that with an average response of 7 minutes. As you can see, we take support very seriously, as do our partners. So that relationship dynamic is our partners do hardware well. You're getting legitimate 30, 40, 50-year hardware manufacturers producing your product, and they partner with us because we do software and support so well. Account management, assigned to sales reps, support team, you name it, we're offering it. Our job is to make your life easier. I hope this gave you a little better picture of what we're doing here at Geokey. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out to one of our salespeople, inquire about your business, how you can use our product, schedule a demo, walk you through it live. Thank you for your time, and thank you for picking Geokey.